such a simple instructions, as in we all understood the way we alone. Okay, that is what the confusing about children also, because children don't understand the way we teach, but they understand different way. So same rule here also applied. I think I learned visually also. I experienced also so much task you gave. So that is kind of practical learning. We actually digged into it, how to plan about the activity, and what are the problems we face. So that is the more I would say informative, and I loved the most that part that we I learned practically, like planned. And so yes, very informative sessions, and I'm looking for more sessions like this.